Using the diagram below, an integration proved that the formula for the volume of a cone with height h and base radius r is given by this expression here. Now the first thing to identify is the line here, so rise over run, is y equals r over hx. The other thing is, if we want to get a cone with a height h and base radius r, is we must be rotating around the x-axis. That would give us a circle at this end with radius r and a height of h. So the volume would be pi times the integral from x equals 0 to x equals h of y squared dx. Y is this expression just here. So that's going to be pi times the integral from 0 to h of r squared over h squared x squared dx. So let's bring the constants out. Pi r squared over h squared, and then we've got x cubed over 3 from 0 to h. So pi r squared over h squared times h cubed over 3. These will cancel, and we have pi r squared h over 3 as required. A hollow circular cone has a height of 18 centimeters and a base radius of 12 centimeters. It's held vertex down beneath a tap leaking at a rate of 2 centimeters cubed per second. Find the rate that the water level is rising when the depth of the water is 6 centimeters. So we're given dv dt is equal to 2 and required to find dh dt when h is equal to 6. Now if we draw a diagram here, so that's our cone, and the base radius is 12 and the height is 18, which straight away gives you a relationship, because any triangle within here will be similar. Gives you a relationship that r is equal to 2/3 of h. Okay, so we're looking at some time when this is h and this is r, so that would actually be 2/3 of h. So the volume in here, now remember, for a cone it's 1/3 pi r squared h. Well, in this case r is, I've written 2/3 pi, I meant 2/3 h. So r is 2/3 of h, so 2/3 h squared times h, which is going to give me, so that would be 4/9, wouldn't it? So 4/27 pi h cubed. And you can't differentiate until you've got to that point. You can't differentiate with two variables present. It just doesn't work. You've got to eliminate one of them. So that's kind of an important point in the calculation. I'll put a line under that. So dv dh would be 4/9 pi h squared. Now we want dh dt, which is going to be dh dv dv dt. So dh dv would be 9/4 pi h squared. dv dt is 2. So that's giving me 9/2 pi h squared. So dh dt when h is equal to 6 is going to be 9 over 2 times pi times 36. And we just need to calculate that. So we've got 9 over 2 times pi times 36. I'll give that as 0.0398. And what units would that be in? Centimeters per second. Correct to 3 significant figures.